on his mouth.
Oh, yeah? Swing it by him.
Oh, look. There's a little bit of piggy, look.
Oh. Doolittle's a little piggy, too. Look at it. Swing it by him.
Huh?
Keep swinging it. He'll get after it. Alright, slow it down just a little. Move it closer to him. Move it closer to him. There you go. Yeah, he's wore out now. Ain't he? Oh, there he goes. Do it again. Dangle it over top of him. There you go.
He hit it. He went on his tail. He got it on his paw on his tail.
He's crazy, ain't he? Dangle it over him again. Dangle it right over top of him. There you go. See?
He's like a little baby.
He's one fat cat. Nope, he's got it now.
It was just...
Hang it over him.
He looks like a little baby.
He looks like a fat baby.
Explain it to I'm going to get out.
You got a big belly, don't you?
Yeah.
Big belly and no tail. You got it, didn't you?
He got the string.
Crazy cat. Hey, run it over there by Tigger.
Huh?
Run it over there by Tigger.
She don't want it. But Doodle does.
Doolittle does. There's Andrew sleeping his life away. There's what we're heating the house with. And here's Austin being an adolescent, typical adolescent girl. You got him going again?
Yeah.
Tigger don't want it?
Huh?
Well, Doodle wants it, don't he?
Doodle!
Well, he's going back to his little hiding place, ain't he?
Why?
This is where Doolittle hides. Underneath the tree. Like a big fat cat. Oh, Tigger's fixing to start playing again. Run it by him.
Tigger!
No, there goes both of them. Run it by the chair over there. Right behind you, Doodle's in there.
Doodle?
You getting excited now?
Mm-hmm.
Ow. Ow. Yeah, he jumped, didn't he?
Hey, look at this. It's jumping.
Yep, it's jumping, ain't it?
I decided to get to play with the Doodle.
Yeah. Oh, there he comes.
Doodle.
Meow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Wow.
What will he do it?
He's probably getting wore out. You done wore the cat out.
Here